Hey everyone, today I will be reviewing the MegaHome Countertop Water Distiller. As you may know, tap water does contain contaminants even after the purification process. So with this MegaHome Countertop Water Distiller, you're able to get water in its purest form by distilling it and having those contaminants stay behind in the collection container. So before I fill the container with new tap water to start a new cycle, I wanted to show the residue that is left behind from the previous distilling cycle. As you can see, it has some contaminants at the bottom of the boiling chamber, which is quite disgusting if you ask me. But so you see the importance of this distilling process. It removes contaminants that are in the clean tap water. And while we're on the subject of residue, you can also buy this distiller cleaner and descaler here on Amazon to keep your distiller clean. So now I will start a new distilling cycle with this MegaHome water distiller. But I wanted to point out the charcoal filter that you can buy separately here on Amazon. And you want to do this just to give it that additional filtration that will make your water taste even better. You simply just have to put the water collection container up to the little nozzle and hit the start button, and the distilling process will be complete in 5.5 hours. So doing this overnight might be ideal. So once the distilling process is complete, you can now enjoy a glass of fresh water. What I like to do so no water ever touches plastic is to get these glass funnels off Amazon and also this glass jug on Amazon, and to pour it through the glass collection container into the bottles. I don't want any water touching plastic, and this way you can ensure that no plastic ever touches your water, which is, I don't know, if you store it in glass, that's also peace of mind knowing that your water stays as pure as possible. So if you're looking to drink fresh, clean water, I would definitely recommend you checking this MegaHome Countertop Water Distiller out here on Amazon. And thanks for watching.